Hi team, today I'll be introducing the Wellesley Senior School Juggling Challenge. The Juggling Challenge is a good chance for you to work on some skill development, also a good chance to use some of the math skills you'll be learning in class this year. You can decide if you're going to try the Amateur Challenge or the Pro Challenge. Good luck. In the Amateur section you'll be using 2 balls. What will be happening is you'll do 2 ball juggling, like this. Okay. How you'll know if you're amateur or pro, if you can do 2 ball juggling 10 times already, unlike Mr. Field, you can probably be a pro. What I'd like you to do is practice for 7 days. They don't need to be consecutive days. You've got up to the 29th of April to complete this task. But over those 7 days, what I'd like you to do is take 20 attempts at your juggling challenge. For the boys doing 2, you'll count every time you catch a ball. So 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. When you are juggling 2 balls, try to keep your eyes up looking at the ball in the air. As the ball comes down to land, you'll throw the other ball back in front. If you can throw to the same height every time, it does make things easy. Remember to count each time you make a successful catch. In the pro section, we'll be juggling 3 balls. It helps if your balls are of similar weight. Mine are different colours to help with our demonstrations a little. When juggling 3 balls, again it's important to keep your eyes up. The pattern is that the ball in your right hand goes through the other 2 balls. I catch, throw, and throw through the gap of the other 2 balls. There's always 1 ball in the air and 1 in the hand. The other ball will go through that gap, be caught, and then the other one goes through. 1 throw with the right hand, and then 1 throw with the left hand. A successful attempt is when one of the ball, in this case the juggling ball, the rainbow ball, is caught. So that would be 1, and the next time I catch it with my right hand would be 2. If you go into Teams and click on the tab Assignments on the left hand side and scroll down to your class, you will find a recording sheet for your Wellesley Senior School Juggling Challenge. If you open that up, you can use this sheet to record how many successful catches or rotations you had in each attempt. There's 1 line there for each of your 20 attempts, and after you've done it 20 times, you have a raw set of data. So after you've attempted each day, you'll have a set of numbers like I've got in blue here. The number of successful catches you have made, or circuits if you're doing the pro. The blue numbers are our raw set of data, and we're going to use that data to do some maths now, which is our co-curricular bit, our maths bit. The red numbers is the set of data just put in order underneath, and that'll help us for what we're going to figure out later. Now we're going to complete these columns. So attempts is easy. We had made 20 attempts. Total, the total is how much our set of data adds up to. So if I add up all those numbers, I get a total of 50. Mode. Mode is the most common number in our set of data. So if you look at our data in blue, we have 3 1s, 6 2s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 3s, and 2 4s. So the most common number was 3. Our median is our middle number. So if we were to scratch 1 off the top and 1 off the bottom, and I kept on going until I reached the middle, that would be my median. So let's do 5 here, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the bottom, 5 from the top, one more from the top, one more from the bottom. And what we find is we've got 3s left. Now, if you had 2 numbers and one was a 3 and one was a 4, your median could be 3.5. But for today, my middle number is 3. Finally, mean. This is what we call average. So the mean is the total divided by the attempts. So 50 divided by 20 is 2.5. Now, if you get a number with a large decimal point, just round to 2 decimal points. What we're hoping to find is that over time, this number in this column will get bigger. On day 2, it might go up to 2.8. On day 3, it might go up to 3.4. But what we're hoping is that practice and repetition will make perfect. Good luck with the juggling challenge, boys. I hope to see your results improving in OneNote. Also, like to see some videos uploaded to the Teams channel or to Seesaw. Good luck, and we'll catch you soon.